Okay. So let us start this particular session and let us try to normalize the data by age group to see the distribution percentage. So I will create a variable here, age, occupation, percentage. I will go further with age, occupation, distribution, age, occupation, distribution. Since I have created distribution above, right? I will use that distribution. I will use a function called division and I will use pass the variable that is age, occupation, distribution. I will sum this excess, I will keep it as 1 and outside excess as 0. Right. Let us run this line of code. The code is running. Let's see the output. So this is the output we are able to get here. We are getting percentage for all numerical numbers. We are getting percentage for all numerical numbers. It may or may not be true. Now, what is the for age group? We are getting the percentage. Not so it may not be true, or there might not be meaning generated for all the data that you are trying to see in here. Yes, that is what we need to understand. We will be plotting this. We will be using another function called cborn, and the object name is SNS. We will be using cborn function. We have to import it. Now, PLT figure. PLT is for matplotlib. We have to give the size of figure, its its height and length. Right? You can give it your end accordingly. So you have given this. Now we will be using heat map. Let us write SNS heat map age underscore occupation percentage. That is what we will be writing in, and then CMAP equal to capital Y L capital G and BU. This is basically the map that type of map color with color you will be getting in here. Then we will be going ahead with printing of this. Okay, now we have taken up SNS, right? Now we will be trying to plot plot title. There has to be title for this graph. So it is occupational mobility across age groups. Then after title, we need to write y-axis label age group. This is on y-axis. Then we need to write x-axis. I think the p got capital here, small p dot x label, which is occupation. Then we need to go ahead with PLT. Sure. Now I just run this line of code. There is some mistake. Let me just check it. Mm, Okay, yes. So there is this code mistake. Yes, we have corrected it. Another mistake here. We have not closed this properly. This is also done. Now let us run. Okay, so this is basically the kind of heat map you are getting. You are getting a very, not a big heat map. Let us increase the size to 16. Let me increase this size to 12 and run this line of code. To an extent, it has got increased, but not much. Let me increase the size to 26 and this to 20. Still not. Okay, so let us go. We are still able to understand basically what we need to, how do we get heat map here. Okay, so this is one of the ways of getting heat map. Let us try to understand the geographic distribution of income, how income is getting distributed geographically. So that is what we will try to understand. So let us create a variable, people earning above 50K by country, because we are interested in geography. And let us bring in salary in here, and above 50K, let us use group by function, native country, because we need to find things related to country, and let us use the size. I've run this line of code. My code is running rightly. Let me see the data. And this is the data that I have, which is pertaining to the geographical distribution of salary country-wise, that people are earning more than 50K, that is United States being the highest here. Again, if I am asked to calculate the percentage of people earning more here, how do I do that? Very simple. I need to create a variable such as percentage of people earning above 50K by country. This equal to people above 50K by country divided by total people by country, and this into 100. If I run this line of code, it is getting, where is total people by country, that That code is not there. Okay. Now what should I need to do? Here is go here, create this plus sign, and let me take this variable here, and I use df group by native country dot size, and I am done with this thing. Again, I go here, I click on plus, take this thing, I get the output, and then I'm running this particular line of code. I'm going here, getting clicking on percentage. I will get all the percentage here. Now, what if I need a sorting of percentage? I need the percentage in sorted form. Let's say in ascending order, then I write sort underscore values ascending equal to false. This is what I will be writing in. Let me run this. Uh, okay. So it needs to take, it will put this in another bracket. Now let me run it as run. We check the value here. See, it is giving me in the descending order, greatest to smallest, because it was false. Descending was false. Then I can print the data and I can get the necessary labels out there. So let me do some plotting here. And I know the codes for plotting plt.figure, fix size. Size I can give as 10 is to 8, right? And later on I need, okay, not later on, let me go here only. I write percentage above 50K by country dot plots. I need bar chart here, and in this bar chart, the color that I need is sky blue, or let's say yellow. Okay. I'm going for yellow, and after this, I need PLT dot title percentage of people earning more than 50K by country. And then I need X label and Y label. So X label is country. What is Y label? Y label being percentage. Okay. And then I'm using, I'm rotating this particular thing in here, this particular graph in here through the parameter called rotation equal to 45. Then I'm going ahead with PLT. I'm saying type layout. I'm going ahead with PLD dot show. This is how I will be going ahead. Let me run this, and there is an error. Okay, the error is I have not used the proper syntax of print. See everything I'm getting in yellow. This is how the correct version of things we are getting in here. Okay, so we will close this session here. We'll continue again with another session on this particular digital business transformation. Thank you. Thank you very much.